All right, traders, let's get right into it. Today is October 29th, the last day in October. Let's review the trades on the At the Open, on the Trade Scalper. Let's take a look at what happened today. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please do not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Talk to your broker. Understand there are risks involved with trading. So to start off today, we're going to look at the At the Open. If I right-click on the chart and I choose the software, the At the Open software, which remember will only be available through the end of this month, and then it's only available in the mentorship program. So we look here at the DayTradeToWin list of indicators. I click OK. It's very simple. Today's trade was a long at 45.78. Again, those of you who have this signal had an opportunity to take it. If I look straight down, I can see that the target is roughly about 2 points, I believe. Let's take a look here. It's about 2.5 points. So the target is about 2.5 points. And as you know, I like to look at the current conditions to tell me a little bit about where and how the market could move either against me or in my favor. So we're going to use that as a target and as a stop idea to protect us. So if I look to where the market went, let's say you wanted 2 points, 2.5 points, just do exactly 2.5. You can see the market went right to 2.5. And we also have stops and protection as well, so don't trade without your stops. Now let's take a look at the Trade Scalper. Now we have the Trade Scalper software. A lot of you have this software. You have the same signals to go long or short, and now we just have a pop-up on the screen which is a long at 45.80.75. So remember, we're not going to chase this market. We're going to go long at this price or within a tick. Some of you I know like to jump in right away. Just be careful when you do that. Sometimes we can get a better price. I always like to try for a better price. And remember to hold on to a target or a stop or a time-based stop is what we teach. So there are a few different opportunities here to get out of the trade. You don't always have to have those large losses. We always get out of the trade as soon as the market isn't going in our favor based on time or proof or another idea, another method. So always look at that. So here is a great example of going long at 45.80.75, about 11, looks like 11:05 or so in the morning Eastern time, New York time. Remember, you guys have the signals. You have the same exact orders as I do here on the chart. Now just manage the trade. Now as we continue using the Trade Scalper software, you're going to see a lot of signals, both to be a buyer to go long or to sell it to go short. There's a signal that just appeared here at 45.94.50. So let's pause for a minute and understand what is happening. As a buyer, I want the market to go up, and I make money if I buy low, buy cheap. The market goes up, and I make money by selling it higher to somebody else. As a seller, what I'm doing is I'm selling something here. I'm selling the E-mini S&P, a contract, and I'm going to allow the market to go lower in order to buy it back cheaper. So as a day trader, you can make money as the market goes up by buying, or you can make money the same amount actually if the market goes down by selling it high and buying it back cheaper. So you're a seller or a short seller, selling it, waiting for the market to go lower. So this example, to go short or to sell it at 45.94.50. Those of you who have the Trade Scalper software have the same exact signal. You know what to do. If you've attended the training, we enter short at 45.94.50 or within a tick. We then allow the market to go lower in our favor with a specific target. The target at this point is $50, 1 point, the same as saying 4 ticks. So 4 ticks, $50, 1 point, that's my goal. And the reason why that's the goal is because if you look straight down, 1 in yellow is indicating 1 point is achievable. That is what the market is able to give me within a short amount of time. My stop as well, I don't want to have it that large, so I use the ATR also to tell me what kind of stop I'm going to use. Now this is all better explained in more detail during the training and in the course material when you get the Trade Scalper or the Atlas line or the At the Open or in mentorship. So we explain this in more detail. But essentially, we have a target based on the current conditions. We have a stop that's also based on the current conditions. That's first and foremost. Then we use price action and time to help manage the trade. If this doesn't do anything. Let's say that we're in this for an hour, it's flip-flopping back and forth, no target, no stop. I think we should get out of the trade. Honestly, what are we doing here watching paint dry? Get out of the trade. 45.9450 is the entry. So I'm looking at a target $50. I have 5 contracts on. This example is going to net me $250 before commissions or slippage. So remember, the amount of contracts that you trade is relative to how much money you can make. If you have any questions, if you'd like to join the next mentorship class, if you're interested in either the At the Open software, the Trade Scalper, or the Atlas line, feel free to give us a call. We'd like to discuss with you how to proceed forward and become a day trader. Take it nice and slow, practice, and there you have it. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.